Hello everyone, welcome to this video on Sun-Saturn combination. This is a very interesting combination that can happen in a horoscope, and it gives a range of benefits, some positive, some negative, as is always the case. But before looking into the impact, let's understand what is this Sun-Saturn combination and how is this created. When Sun and Saturn are together in a horoscope, it is supposed to result in Sun-Saturn conjunction. We call two planets being in the same house as conjunction in Vedic astrology. It essentially means combination, right? In addition to that, when Sun and Saturn are in 1-7 position, that is, they are opposite to each other, then also this kind of Sun-Saturn combination is created. So we call this Sun-Saturn being in the same house as conjunction, Sun-Saturn being opposite to each other as combination, right? So if you really see, Sun and Saturn are planets with two opposite characteristics. Sun stands for brightness, right? Sun is very bright, right? And anything that is bright is associated with optimism too. Sun is all about ruling class, right? It is about government, no doubts about it. Even if someone is managing a small team, okay, Sun's influence is definitely there. Saturn, on the other hand, is about darkness, right? Saturn is quite far from Sun also in the solar system. Saturn is associated with pessimism, being very slow, right? And in addition to that, an important characteristic of Saturn is working class. So Sun is about the ruling class, Saturn is about working class. So two opposite ends of the spectrum. So when these two opposite planets come together, okay, so what kind of results they manifest? On the positive side, one can expect a government job or some kind of dealings with government. It could be like executing a government contract, either directly or indirectly. One can also expect leadership roles. As I said earlier, leadership role doesn't have to mean a CEO, CXO kind of role. It can even mean managing a small team of, say, 5 people or 2-3 people, right? That is also a leadership role, right? So you are managing, you are the leader for that group. So that is about being positive. That is about the positive impact. On the negative side, ego clash with superiors. Ego clash with superiors is one of the biggest negatives of this combination, right? Problems with father. When I say problems with father, it can mean misunderstanding. It can mean ego clash, especially during the teenage years, okay? Or it can even mean being separated from father, right? And that can be due to many reasons. We have to see the entire horoscope to fully understand how this problem with father is going to get manifested. The other thing about this combination is when Sun comes very close to Saturn, okay, it leads to what is known as combustion of Saturn, right? Especially when Saturn and Sun are within 12 degrees of each other, it leads to a combustion. That is, Saturn's characteristics are burnt. When I say burnt, what happens? A core characteristic of Saturn is longevity, and even that can get impacted when Saturn and Sun are very close to each other. That is the 12-degree impact, okay? But what happens to most of the people is this ego clash, right? Even when you are in a leadership role, right, one can expect ego clash, right? Okay, problems with father. Many sons have problems with father, right? The root cause of it is in Sun Saturn, okay? So these are the impact of Sun Saturn combination, right? You will have positive, you will have negative. So to understand which one of this, whether positive will be more manifested or negative will be more manifested for you, you need to see the complete horoscope, right? You need to check the 9th house, because 9th house is the house of father, right? If it is about service, you need to check the 6th house. If you are in business, you need to check the 10th house, right? So all these things need to be seen to assess which one of these, that is the positive is going to be more or the negative is going to be more. Okay, so this is on the impact of Sun Saturn. When will you get to see the results of Sun Saturn combination? Obviously during Dasha, during the Dasha of either Sun or Saturn, you can expect these results to manifest. In addition, okay, even during transit, this combination can give positive or negative results, or even both. I'm sure you understand this combination in a natal horoscope. You will have a doubt as to how this combination happens during transit. Okay, let me explain this with an example. Let's say Sun is in Aquarius or in Leo in your horoscope. Saturn is going to enter Aquarius very shortly. That is, Saturn will be in Aquarius for a period of 2.5 years, starting from April 2022. So during these 2.5 years, those with Sun in Aquarius or Leo will see the results of this Sun-Saturn combination. The impact is obviously going to be more for people with Sun in Aquarius, right? So you understand how even during transits, one can see the results of Sun-Saturn combination. Definitely during the Dasha of Sun or Saturn, one will feel the impact, right? Not just during Dasha, even during transit, one can expect Sun-Saturn combination results. That's the point I want to highlight in this video, right? You are aware of conjunction, opposite aspect for planets, right? For Jupiter, we know that there is additional 5th and 9th aspects. As per Brigu Nandi Nadi astrology, okay, that's a type of, that's a branch of Vedic astrology. This 5th and 9th aspect is there for other planets too, in addition to Jupiter. So, for the next 2.5 years, starting from April 2022, even for people with Sun in Gemini and Libra, this Sun-Saturn combination results can be felt, right? So all those with Sun in Aquarius, Leo, Libra, and Gemini will see the impact of Sun-Saturn combination, right? Whether it's going to be positive or negative, or it's going to be a combination of both, we need to see the whole horoscope. But at the very least, ego clash will be there. At the very least, ego clash will be there. So be prepared for that, right? Ego clash can sometimes be very messy. Okay, so be prepared and handle with care. So that's what I wanted to cover in this video, and I will see you in another video. If you like this video, please do share and like this video, and I also encourage you to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.